friend. Today we're going to talk about how to make your au pair part of the family at Christmas time. The holidays are a really tricky time for au pairs because they're away from their families, they're away from their home country, they're away from potentially their own religion even. They're celebrating possibly a different holiday, or they're celebrating the same holiday but a very different way than they normally would. And while a lot of them are excited to get to experience this holiday season in a different country, in a different culture, it also can be really lonely when they miss their families and they want a sense of what they're used to. So I think this is a really crucial time for us to make sure that we're wrapping our au pairs into our own families and making sure they know that they are loved and they are welcome, and helping them to have experiences that they can get joy from and that they can really remember. So today we're going to talk about 5 things that you can do to incorporate your au pair into your family at Christmas time. I'm Katie Huey Harrison, founder and editor-in-chief of Undefining Motherhood. We're an educational site and community equipping you to do this mom thing your way. And this is 5 things in 5 minutes. So let's talk about 5 things you can do at Christmas time to help make your au pair part of your family. Number 1, buy matching Christmas pajamas. I know this is cheesy and cliche and totally overdone. I'm not going to pretend I don't love it, and I've done it every year since we started expanding our family. But it was super special getting to do it this year with Maria because it's a great way of showing her that she is part of our family and she gets these special pajamas that we get too. We wear them to decorate the tree, we wear them again on Christmas morning, and maybe it's a little cheesy, but I think it's an amazing visual way for her to get to see that she is one of us and she is part of the celebration, and we wouldn't want to do it without her. Number 2, include your au pair in your own family traditions. For us, we do things like obviously decorating our Christmas tree. We also love to make and decorate Christmas cookies, and my son loves gingerbread houses. So this year I actually got a gingerbread village so that everybody could do their own, and it would be something that she could be a part of instead of just, hey, you want to help? It really pulls her into the fold and lets her be one of us. Number 3, and this one's a little tricky aesthetically, hang a stocking for her. So Maria's stocking doesn't look like all of our family stockings because we don't have them. It actually was easier for us this year because we didn't have stockings with Branham's name on them either. But I think even the addition of a stocking that doesn't match is a really important way to show, hey, we want you here. We want you to be here. We are thoughtful of you and we love you. And of course, on Christmas morning, there can be gifts inside that stocking, so it gives her something to open just with the rest of you, in addition to whatever gifts you give her. You can also suggest that other family members or friends send gifts for her to your house as well, if there are people who have become close to her since she's been here. Number 4, take her to do something holiday themed with your family. So for us, this looks like a few things. Every year we go see Christmas lights at the botanical gardens. So that's going to be a really fun thing we're all going to do together. But in addition to that, we have a lot of holiday themed bars that pop up in Atlanta. We're not personally taking her to a bar, but we have suggested that she go with some friends, and I wouldn't be opposed to taking her. What we are going to do is we're going to take her to dinner at a restaurant that is Spanish cuisine so that she can have something that's a little bit of a taste of home from this time of year. And that segues well into number 5, which is bringing some of your au pair's traditions into your home. For us, that's really fun. It's cookies. Maria is from Andalusia in Spain, and she told me that the thing she thinks of most when she thinks of Christmas, and particularly food, because that's such a nostalgic piece, it's a little bit easier to try to bring in. She thinks of something called polvorones. And polvorones, pardon my pronunciation, are little shortbread cookies. Now, we have shortbread cookies here, so yeah, I could just buy a tin of shortbread cookies, and we'll probably get one as a gift at some point this Christmas season. But we actually made them together the same day that we decorated our tree because we really wanted her to know that while we want to bring her into our family fold this holiday season, we also want to be part of her family, and we want her to feel as at home and warm and welcome as possible. I hope these ideas were helpful for you, and I'm dying to hear, what are you doing to bring your au pair into the Christmas fold? And especially, what are you bringing in from their homes and their customs and cultures? Because I think that is such a cool part of the experience of the au pair program, that we get to have this time with other cultures, other languages in our families. And I can't wait to hear more about it from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful information. I'll see you later, friend. Bye.